Every decade or so, the insurance industry hits a moment when the ground quietly shifts beneath it. We're in one of those moments now, and this time, the shift is driven by AI. Across claims, underwriting, actuarial, and risk, a clear pattern is emerging. Carriers taking proactive steps are widening the gap. Those waiting are losing time they won't get back. The pressure points are familiar. Loss costs rising faster than premium growth. Litigation expanding across bodily injury, property, and commercial lines. FNOL to closure timelines stretching as staffing tightens. And regulators demanding greater transparency and explainability. AI is no longer a future skill. It's a current operational capability. Insurance is built on narratives, behavior, treatment patterns, legal signals, and jurisdictional nuance. The shift isn't about experimenting. It's about operationalizing AI across the enterprise, with explainable models, embedded intelligence, and continuous domain learning.